toot. A very happy birthday to you. A very happy birthday. A very happy birthday to you. Smallest smile from ear to ear. Wish a wish to last all year. A very happy birthday to you. Have some cookies, have some cake. Party hats are fun to make. A very happy birthday to you. Watch the party sing the best. A merry group of friends for guests. A very happy birthday to you. What a super duper day. Have some cake and now let's play. A very happy birthday to you. A very happy birthday to you. Smile and smile from ear to ear. Wish your wish to last all year. A very happy birthday to you. A very happy birthday. A very happy birthday to you.
What is it? You really wanted this? Oh my goodness! What is it? Wow! What is that? Well, I'll have to put it together.
Oh, is that what you really wanted?
Yeah.
Cool. What?
Your grandma Pam, and me and Papa, and Aunt Ann, and Michael and Tyler got that for you.
Shake it out, shake it. Wave them arms around, dog. You're jumping. Ooh, you dance? Ooh.
We can holler to the ceiling. I think that's a piece of cake. Sweetest, sweetest things I've ever. It's a strawberry shake.
She's never seen this. I don't think so. She's just really good dance. She's really good at dancing. She does twirls and stuff all the time.
Get up and dance. Get away. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I know. Hold him to dance. He's dancing. He loves to dance. He's a good dancer.
Ooh, they're doing a moonwalk.
Well, look at the horse feet. Look at the horse feet. Ella. Ella.